In today's competitive manufacturing landscape, small and medium enterprises face a critical challenge: scale or get left behind. For the next generation of woodworkers here in Penang, traditional methods are no longer enough to sustain growth. To capture higher margin markets, operational revolution is a business priority. The primary barrier to technology adoption has always been the fear of a steep learning curve and costly operational downtime. Our approach removes that friction. We integrated cabinet vision training directly onto the factory floor, implementing a practical, low-stress onboarding program tailored specifically to the team's current capabilities. Day 1 and 2 focus on translating traditional carpentry logic into digital rules. By eliminating overly complex technical jargon and using familiar industry terms, the software becomes highly intuitive. In less than 48 hours, the team went from basic overview to independently generating complex, custom engineering data directly on screen. In just a few days of structured, stress-free training, this enterprise successfully modernized its operations without halting day-to-day business. They haven't just updated their software, they have future-proofed their business model. Revolutionize your factory floor with speed, simplicity, and zero stress. Partner with smart connected solutions today.